So I just pulled her hair back into a half up style, tied it with a hair tie. So you take your topsy tail tool, stick it through the pony, the base of the pony, and try to stick it right down the center. This will help so that the heart doesn't lean to one side or the other. Take your ponytail through the loop and pull up. Alright. As you pull up, you're going to catch hair at the bottom. So just kind of comb it down as you pull. And then it's going to look like that. You'll split this in half and you'll twist both sides away from each other. So I'm twisting that one to the left and I'm twisting this one to the right. And I'm going to bring it together. Here's one of the things to remember. When you bring it together, make sure there isn't an opening right there. Because if there is an opening, the heart won't have the bubble effect. It won't look like a bubble. So you twist it and you bring it together, and if you have a gap, then just kind of loosen the twist a little bit so that the insides are touching. So right there is good, and an elastic right there. I also don't like to make the hearts too big. I did attempt a really big heart one time, but it didn't hold its shape. The hair just kind of weighed down because it was so big. So, all right. So then it's gonna look like this. See, there's no gap, no space in between, which is great. You're on the right track. So now you are gonna pull, but don't pull from the lower half. I would just pull from these corners right here, these top corners. Because if you pull too much down here, it'll lose its shape of the heart. So just pull a little bit on each side till it starts to look like that. And then the last step is you're going to tighten. So you're going to pull both of these sides out as if you're tightening a ponytail. And this is what's really going to help define the heart shape. See, right there. And there you have it. There is a heart bubble. So there you have it. This is the basic technique of how you would make a heart bubble.